Hello guys, my name is Naa, the little village farm girl, and I am here with my table birds, and today I want to measure their weight because since I started my poultry farm, today they're 50 days old, and I started on the 16th of November to the 6th of January. So today I'm going to be using a scale, a small scale balance, and a basket to measure their weight. I got this scale balance bed from USA Agro Shop. If you want yours, just contact the number on the screen. Follow me, let's go.
Jerry, I'm a Mua go me vonga, me go ye vonga. So I may you, me lord me vonga. Kege, ye mua me fanu ya. Awe mu you lord too.
When you want to do this, you have to put your scale at 0 because if you put it at a number above or 0, you not get the correct measurement of your table birds. As you can see, this table birds weigh 2.807. Now let me weigh another one.
If you don't know, then you no can know. But whatever you want, you spend money, go clean you past. Amanda fine, she gets to shape up. And with no money, she no be fake up. Amanda villageois, every day she live for farm. She did the work so she figure something for job. Amanda no get friends, she be alone. Everywhere she go now, so the boys the mom got down. See the dirty thing, see the wawa thing, see the Christine. I beg come on me fire.
The weight of the fowl is 2.5. Hello guys, these are quality fowls and we can supply anywhere in Cameroon. Contact the number on the screen.
If you don't know, then you no can know. But whatever you want, you spend money, go clean you past. Amanda fine, she get to shape up. And with no money, she no be fake up. Amanda villageois, every day she there for farm. She did the work so she figure something for job. Amanda no get friends, she be alone. Everywhere she go now, so the boys the mom got how. See the dirty thing, see me the wawa thing. See the Christine, I beg come on me fire. She no go mind, she no go even bother. She go shake her head, now she say forgive them father. Amanda fine, she get to shape up. Amanda fine, she get to shape up. Will you marry me, baby Amanda? Amanda. 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 Ah, yeah. Amanda. Na na na, yeah. Na 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 na, yeah. Oh yeah. Mama me koningwa Amanda bayamba kuwe Yala mua tapa veka Iturba veka Nyorbo ma veka Geri Jerry ama mua yoe Mua kong me vonga me kong ye vonga So ame yue me lor me vonga Keyoke ye mua me fanu wea Awe mu you lord tu Mbawa la sore Awe me konga everybody want to see Amanda. And never done this if she get $1. All the girls the way them caution, eh. Everywhere she pass now, so the boys them holla, eh.